Welcome back to Surprisingly Geeky.
Yep. Welcome back.
I believe we're gonna press on and try to beat the last level.
I think so. Where do I go from here? Ah, there we go. Oh. Still don't have enough money for the Tesla Claw. I recall it always taking some time for me to get it.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
After this, the games start going like, hey, buy all ammo, and you're like, yup.
Yeah, much more convenient.
Much more efficient.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Alright. Back in the ship. Enter the ship. I'm in the ship. Save Ratchet's planet.
Wait, go back. We have to make sure that we got everything.
This one?
Yeah. Okay, we're good.
We're gonna save a planet. Do 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 do
Alright.
do. Oh, we should have done that.
Oh,
I still have my gloves.
this is super cool.
Get your gloves, keep your hand warm. Put on your gloves, people know you're gaming.
Oh man, and I'm totally wearing Yarrington shirt.
Look at
I didn't even plan
that.
that. But yeah, anybody who's watching, you should make sure to check out LunarDawn's webcomic at yellington.com.
Ah, do that.
I believe that there is a link in the description with all of our videos.
If you don't like typing things, you can click it instead.
Yeah.
Woo. I do have to say, I rather like it.
Me too.
Just saying. My planet is ugly. Orange sky. Reminds me of a book that I'm currently reading. The sky is always orange. I was already here. These guys are little, so I'm just gonna use this thing. I'm looking forward to leveling up my weapons in the next games.
Yeah, it just adds
That's a robot!
leveling up the items, or the weapons adds a lot of fun gameplay, because if you're interested in leveling them up at all, then it ends up forcing you to use different weapons in different situations where you might not have wanted to use them.
It's really necessary, though. You definitely can't play the future games all. Well, I mean, I'm sure you can. It would be a whole lot less fun. Because it would take forever to kill anything. Boom! Plus, using a variety of weapons, you know, just adds to the gameplay. In this one, I will stick to just a few. I never use the taunter.
Why would you? Except in those, like few situations where you have to. But if you could level that sucker up, you better believe you'd be using it everywhere.
Probably. Some of the games have really good shields that are really awesomely leveled. I find the shield in Deadlock though a little tedious. A lot of the others, the shield sort of surrounds you,
Yeah.
and you can walk with it. While the one in Deadlock is literally a shield that you kind of plant in front of you. And it's definitely useful. And it levels up quick, and it's way better than having no shield at all. But I miss the ones that you can walk with. Oh, started sinking. And tank too. Alright, that was better. I don't think they have these exploding crates in the PS3 Ratchet and Clank.
No?
I don't think so.
Mm-hmm.
Not entirely.
Maybe they're just not as prolific as in these ones.
Maybe. Or maybe they weren't necessary.
Well, that could be it too, because in the PS3 ones, you get like the crate exploder, makes it so that you can like smash the ground and all of the crates will break.
Yeah.
You don't really need explosive crates. So that's really like the main reason why they have the explosive crates here, so that they can make like fun explosions, right?
I'm pretty sure it's so that you have to wait for it. Make the game longer. And that guy, I think, took 4. Alright. I guess I could use the chicken thing. I like the pig one in Alpha 1.
Oh yeah. And then sometimes they'll get like big and tap the other guys.
That's when you upgrade it.
Yeah. I also like the one that turns into snowmen.
I
I don't know what the next one.
don't know. Okay, which one am I on? This is 2. And it has to go here, I think. Awesome. Good chick.
Okay. Fertilized egg! Like chicken egg. Another thing I actually have with my life.
Horse Patrol?
Yeah.
That is finished up. Oh! That caught me by surprise.
Hi there, Fuzzball. That's a real beauty.
Right there.
Yep. I'm just thinking about how much stuff we want to do. And how,
Little time there is to do it all.
you know,
There'd be more time if we didn't have that pesky work thing to deal with.
totally, right?
Totally.
I wonder if we could get like a grant.
I doubt it.
You never know. There might be grants for small businesses that are starting up, or for you know, artistic endeavors.
I kind of doubt it.
Well, there definitely are grants for artistic stuff.
Well, yeah, but I doubt they'd talk about the Canadian government.
Mostly.
Yeah, I doubt it would be. I really could really use a new tablet though. That would be so awesome. I'm still using an old Wacom.
Like,
Graphire?
yeah.
Like old.
You should try my tablet and see if it looks better for you.
I think I need a screen tablet. Like a
Well, yeah, and that would be
bad thing.
the you know, the best thing to do to get. If I had a screen tablet, I might actually be able to draw on the computer.
Yeah, I can't draw on the computer at all. But I'm not sure if I'd want to make the switch like permanent, like to just drawing on the computer. Because I really like working with pencil.
Yeah.
Shit.
Well, yeah, like anything, there's pros and cons to working digitally and to working, you know, traditionally.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah. The con is that I have to do so much scanning. Scan.
Which is another thing that we could use in the game.
I could use a bigger scanner.
Yeah. Double the size. Like one that could actually get like a. Well, you wouldn't need it to be like that, like an 18 by 20, but I think that's technically the next size up.
I wouldn't mind being able to get the ones that were as big as the ones we had in college.
Yeah, like, I think that's literally the only other the next size up.
Seriously?
I think so. I have to be honest, I haven't done any research on it.
Damn it!
Except to,
Oh, I got him. Sweet.
I think I actually got them both.
Shit.
Oh.
Shit. Oh.
And
And into the lava. I got so far.
yeah, I think I checked on like staples.com or something
Once a lifetime ago.
Yeah. In the before time. long ago.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Yeah, ours is just pretty old though, and the screen is starting
Oh, that's a
to
nice one.
go on it. It's got all these imperfections on it now that I have to edit out of my scans before I can use them.
It was old when I got it. And that was like almost 10 years ago now.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Well, where did you get it from? Was it like your dad's?
I got it from a pawn shop.
Oh! Well, there you go.
And that is the end of this episode. Thanks for tuning in.
We'll see you next time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.